Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can scan a QR code in the Telegram application to basically pick up someone else's contact. It's actually quite straightforward when you know the settings are, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so here we have the iPhone. The first thing we need to do is launch Telegram. We're going to do that just by clicking the Telegram application. From here, it's going to load up all your chats, but we actually want to go over to the fourth option at the bottom there, which is settings. We're going to click on settings. It's going to load up all of your various different settings right here. From here, there's my profile. From here, you can see a little QR code icon. We can do that, and it's going to bring up your contact information here that you can share. However, at the very bottom, it's also the option to scan a QR code. If we go ahead and click on that, it's going to bring up your camera. It's going to give you this little screen here where you would basically put someone's QR code underneath, and that is essentially then going to pick up all of their contact information within the Telegram app. And it is as easy as that to scan someone else's Telegram QR code within the Telegram application. If this has worked for you, found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.